Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag Internship and Courses tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get 100% free Cloudy Code in Action course 2026 and provided is the Anthropic. So after the completing the course, maybe you will get the certificate of completion and your name will be there has completed Cloudy Code in Action by Anthropic. So this is a 100% free. So, free Cloudy Code course by Anthropic Cloudy Code in Action wants to go beyond simple AI coding prompts, use the Cloudy Code for the longer automated and less supervised software development workflows. So, Anthropic Cloudy Code in Action is a free online course available through the Anthropic Skilljar. This course is designed for the developers who already use the Cloudy Code and wants to build more reliable, scalable, and automated AI assistant development workflow. So official course link is this one. So why this course is interesting? So Cloudy Code can be used the more than one of coding request. Anthropic course focus on the using the Cloudy for the longer session, configuring the project instruction, and automatic repetitive development work, verifying result when the Cloudy work with the less supervision. This course covers the advanced Cloudy Code workflows concepts such as the project instruction with the Cloudy.md skills, permission mode, hooks, autonomous workflows, routines, headless execution, GitHub action, code review, verification, and plugin. It is particularly relevant to developer exploring AI coding agentic software development, AI assisted programming, developer automation, cloud AI, GitHub automation, and modern software engineering workflows. So this course is free, provided is the Anthropic platform, the Anthropic Skilljar, and course included course quiz and course fees zero. So important is that this current official course page does not state that a certificate of completion is included. So the video does not claim a certificate for this specific course. So best suitable for the developers, software engineer, programmers, AI, automations engineers, DevOps, and anyone interested in the modern AI workflows. If you find this information useful, don't forget to like, share, and comment and subscribe to Chirag Mahto Official for more free courses, certification, AI tools, cloud, database, cybersecurity, and technology tutorials. So let me open this URL. So this is the official URL. When we'll open this URL, you find this page. So Cloudy Code in Action. So enroll course is free, already registered. Then you can go with the sign up about the course. So Action teaches you the Cloudy Code, pass the quick task, and trust the result. So learning objective is there. By end of the score, you will able to scope with the plan mode direct and run autonomous write the learned cloud.md file. So prerequisites are there. You already use the Cloudy Code for the single prompt, basic familiarity with the Git and command lines, and who is this course for developer who already use the Cloud Code single prompts, want to move longer and less supervised and team wide workflow. So course section is there. So start the work session one. Then there is a 4 lessons is there. This is one lesson. Configure the Cloudy, automate repeat work. 2 lesson, verify and share, and data and privacy. So some details are there. Now I'm going to enroll this course. So click on enroll. So here it will ask you the username, email and password, and there is a sign up option is there. Okay, so you can sign up. So I'm going through the login. So let me log in or sign up. I will put my account. Let me see. So here I have inserted the details, username, email, and password, and click on sign in. So there is a total 10 lessons are there, 0% is completed. You can start and all the final quiz is there. So step by step, all the process is there. So about the course, you can go with this all details and curriculum is this. So you can click on the start. And course quiz is this in last. So there is a 11 questions will be there. So all the step by step you can complete, and final quiz is there. So there is a questions. So this is the process where you can get 100% free Cloud Code in Action course, and all the details you have completed. So disclaimer is that this video is created for the educational and informational purpose only under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. All trademarks and logos belongs to their respective owners. No copyright violation intended. For any copyright concern, you can send me mail on the chiragmato@gmail.com. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel, and Telegram channel is there. Link I will provide you in the description. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Do you have any question? Then drop them into the comment box. And don't forget to like, share, and comment and subscribe to Chirag Mahto Official. So hope this will help. Thank you for watching.